Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most unique and ambitious cars to come out of post-war America, the 1947 Playboy A48. This was a car designed to change the way Americans looked at compact cars, and though it didn't last long, it left a fascinating mark on automotive history. Exterior. The Playboy A48 was built right after World War II by the Playboy Motor Car Corporation, based in Buffalo, New York. And no, it had nothing to do with Hugh Hefner's magazine. This Playboy came first, and it was all about accessible style and practicality. Starting with the exterior, the 1947 Playboy A48 had a clean, compact design that was ahead of its time. It featured a two-door convertible body with simple, flowing lines and a retractable hardtop roof, a feature that was truly revolutionary for the late 1940s. The idea of a retractable metal roof wouldn't catch on widely until decades later, but Playboy did it first. The car's proportions were tidy, its fenders were integrated into the body, and the chrome accents gave it a touch of class without being overdone. It was small, about 155 inches long, but that was the point. The Playboy A48 was designed to be efficient, affordable, and stylish for post-war consumers who wanted something different from the massive sedans of the time. Interior. Moving inside, the interior of the Playboy A48 was surprisingly comfortable for such a compact car. It could seat two adults comfortably, with an optional jump seat in the rear for a third passenger. The dashboard was simple but functional, featuring large round gauges, chrome trim, and easy-to-reach controls. The build quality reflected the company's attention to detail, soft leatherette materials, smooth operation of switches, and a convertible top that folded neatly into the rear deck. For its time, it felt surprisingly premium for a small American car. Performance. Under the hood, the Playboy A48 was powered by a 40-horsepower four-cylinder engine sourced from Willys Overland, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. With a weight of just around 1,900 pounds, it wasn't fast by modern standards, but it was peppy enough for city driving. The car could reach speeds up to about 75 miles per hour, and fuel economy was one of its strong suits, roughly 35 miles per gallon, which was exceptional for the 1940s. The lightweight body, compact size, and reliable mechanicals made it practical and easy to maintain. The Playboy A48 also featured independent front suspension and hydraulic brakes, both modern features for its era. These design choices gave it a surprisingly smooth and stable ride, even on rough roads. It was designed for everyday Americans who wanted efficiency, style, and a bit of fun, all in one small package. Unfortunately, the Playboy Motor Car Corporation faced tough challenges. Big automakers like Ford and Chevrolet dominated the market, and small startups couldn't compete in scale or production cost. Only about 97 Playboy A48s were ever built before the company folded in 1951. Today, the 1947 Playboy A48 is a rare and collectible piece of American automotive history. Fewer than 50 are believed to survive, and each one represents an innovative vision that came decades before its time. In conclusion, the 1947 Playboy A48 was more than just a car, it was a bold experiment in design, engineering, and practicality. It combined a stylish convertible look, efficient performance, and advanced features like a retractable hardtop long before anyone else. Though it never reached mass production, its influence and originality still earn it a place in the hearts of car historians and collectors around the world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive history, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which forgotten classic you'd like to see next. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.